Well, hello there. I've got a new gadget here. It's a magnetic neck mount from Telesin for the iPhone. It's for not only the iPhones, but also Android phones. And this one is a bit easier to snap together than the Smallrig one. There we go. And as you can see here, it's got the magnetic ring mount, which I have for the back of the phone. Okay, let me turn this one on. And there we go. Look, Ma, no hands. And there we go. Look, Ma, no hands. I love it. I love these neck mounts. It's just so handy. Now you can, let's turn me sideways here. You can angle it down. So it's looking at the grass right now. Now my big problem with my hair is my hair gets in the way and it gets in front of the lenses here. But there we go. Bob's your uncle. Yeah, I really like these. And again, here's the one for the GoPro. And let's see what this is recording. Okay. I want to make sure I was pointing in the right direction. So here's the one for the GoPro, which with the magnetic mount, I just stick it on there. And to undo it, you just click right there. But right now, I have you on my old lightweight Manfrotto tripod. I had to dig out. It's one of my first tripods I got before I got the big hefty ones for my Astro stuff. And let's see. Let's see if I can get in there to show you the part number. I can't see out here in this light. But anyways, you can see I have a mount here for the iPhone and the other one for the GoPro, which is so handy. This is a very lightweight tripod. Little thing there. But, alright. I kind of messed that one up, but alright. So there we go. Quite interesting, huh? Our beautiful willow tree. Yeah. It's not even mine. It's not in my yard, but love me a willow. But there we go. And once again, I'll put a link down below in the description box area for this Telesin. And I am a Amazon associate, so if you click on the link and I get a few pennies from Amazon from you guys. And you don't have to buy this particular model. If you click a link and you go to Amazon and say you don't want to get this, but you get something else, I think within one day, within 24 hours, that it'll go to whoever's link that you clicked over to Amazon. It'll give them a few pennies. So anyway, so this one, of course, is made in China, but it's actually pretty good. Because, you know, I'm not too fond of the cheap stuff. But anyway, okay, so I really do like, here, let me switch you around. Take you off. This is the one I have a harder time putting together. Oh, there we go. Huh. Bob's your uncle. And it's so handy having those magnetic clamps. And there we are. There. So here we are with the GoPro on. And as you can see, it sits lower. I can angle it up a bit more. And my hair doesn't get, it gets in the way, but not as bad as for the phone because it sits so much higher. But anyway. And there we have it. Very, very handy. Cool gadgets. Anyway, y'all take care. Bye now.